FBI raids former US President Donald Trump on his palatial Florida residence. China confirms outbreak of new animal-derived virus. FBI raided former US President Donald Trump on his Florida residence on 10th day of August 2022. Donald John Trump is an American politician, media personality, and businessman who served as the 45th President of the United States from 2017 to 2021. When Trump left White House on January 2021, he faced instant legal scrutiny for his efforts to overturn the results of the 2020 election and over the January 6 attack on the US Capitol by his supporters. Trump was also remained the country's most divisive figure, continuing to sow falsehood that he actually won the 2020 vote. Several former advisors to the 76-year-old Trump urged him to immediately confirm that he will be a presidential candidate in 2024 election. Nothing like this has ever happened to a president of the United States before, Trump said of the FBI operation at his Mar-a-Lago resort in West Palm Beach. In his statement, Trump did not give any indication about why the FBI raided his home but said, "The event broke into my safe." He denounced the FBI raid as a weaponization of the justice system by radical left Democrats who desperately don't want me to stand for presidential election 2024. At the White House, Press Secretary Karine Jean-Pierre said President Joe Biden did not have any advance notice about the raid and respected the independence of the Justice Department. Andrew McCabe, a former FBI deputy director, told CNN that agents may have been looking for something specific related to the probe into the handling of classified information. Jameson Terron, updates on international Kirby Daily News. China confirms outbreak of new animal-derived virus on 9 of August 2022. Researchers have said that the new animal-derived virus can cause severe disease in animals and humans and holds a biosafety level 4 virus classification with a 40-75% fatality rate. This new type of animal-derived virus called Henipavirus has so far infected people in Shandong and Henan province of China, and the infected people have symptoms including fever, fatigue, cough, anorexia, and nausea as per official media reported on Tuesday. According to state-run Global Times media reports, this new type of Henipavirus, also named Langia henipavirus, was found in throat swab samples from febrile patients in eastern China. Scientists last week in a paper noted investigators in China identified a new Henipavirus associated with a febrile human illness. This virus was also found in shrews. The paper has been published in the New England Journal of Medicine. There is currently no vaccine or treatment for Henipavirus, and only treatment is supportive care to manage complications. Jameson Terron report on new outbreak of virus in China, Kirby Daily News.